For the last 180 days, I've been testing shop campaign ads for my Shopify store. I spent real money, tracked every result, and today I'm going to share with you what actually happened. I am going to cover my sales, my return on ad spend, real roadblocks I experienced, and whether or not I think you should run shop campaign ads for your store. Now, if you're new here, my name is Antonio and I run a Christian clothing brand called Prayed Up Apparel, and I've been in this digital marketing space for the last 10 years. And so on this channel, I talk about all things Shopify and marketing. So if that's something that you're interested in, I definitely recommend that you subscribe. Now, before I share with you the results, I want to explain why I decided to run shop campaign ads in the first place. So for my clothing brand specifically, I primarily spend all my money on Facebook and Instagram ads, and sometimes I kind of flirt with Google ads and TikTok ads, but for me and my brand, I've seen the most success with Facebook and Instagram ads. But back around, I would say July, August, I started to get emails from Shopify. And they were pretty much explaining to me that they had a new ad system through Shop. But at the time, I really didn't care, nor did I want to learn a new system. I was busy trying to grow my brand and I already knew what worked. And so I didn't really want to deviate or spend time trying to learn a new system. But around October-ish, November, they started to get real aggressive with your boy. I mean, they started throwing around $100 credits, and then it went to $200 to $300 until finally they was like, you know what? We want to give your store $500. Please just try out our ad platform. And at that point, it's the holiday season. I was like, you know what? I could really use an extra $500. Cool. Y'all want to give it to me? Bet. Now, once I started to read the emails and start to understand what shop ads really are, I learned that they're virtually risk-free to run. So let me explain how shop ads work. The cool thing about Shop is that they will promote your products on their networks and other networks, right? So you will see your products on Facebook ads, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Google, Bing, across a variety of networks, and they don't charge you anything unless they get you a customer. So it's pretty much risk-free to run ads on Shop because they're not charging you anything for these impressions, which sounds super dope, and it is, but there is a very big catch to this, but I'll get to that in a second. But now I want to go over my results and share with you exactly how these ads performed. So I'm going to break these results down month by month, and we're going to start with November. So in November, I spent a total of $269.63, and I generated $1,310.48 with a return on investment, or ROAS, of 4.86. And I had an average order value of $68.97, and I got 19 customers. So November was lit. I'm not going to lie to you. So I was like, you know what? This is really good. A 4.6 ROAS. I think my break-even ROAS for my store is like 1.83 or 1.84 or something like that. So this was a really good month. For December, I spent $281. I had an average order value of $43. I had 18 customers, and I made $774.61. And that was a 2.76 ROAS. Still not bad, but definitely not as good as November. In January, I spent only $105. My average order value was $65.28. I had 7 orders, and in sales, I made $456.97 with a ROAS of 4.35, which is great. In February, I only spent $120, a $50 order value. I had 8 orders, and total sales was $403.36. So in March, I spent $90. Average order value was $48.93 with 5 orders, and total sales was $244.67 with a ROAS of 2.72. And then This month so far, I spent $80 with an average order value of $47.10. I've gotten 4 orders thus far in April, and my total sales was $180.40. Okay. Now, if you see this for a total of $945.67 with an average order value of $55.38 with a total of 61 orders, and total sales is $3,378.49 with an average ROAS of 3.57. So that's really, really good. Okay. A ROAS at 3.57, you're eating. Okay. Especially when it comes to Facebook and Instagram ads for most businesses. Now, I'm going to give you my issue with shop ads. The main problem is getting these ads to spend. You have no control on ad spend at all. I've set my daily budget to $200 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. It just won't spend, okay? And there's nothing you can really do with it. That was one of the most frustrating things for me when it comes to shop ads, because you really have no control on whether or not it spends your budget or not, compared to something to like Facebook ads or Instagram ads where you set your budget and you already know they're going to spend it. Okay. They want their coins. But with this, it's really, really hard for shop to spend your money, at least for my Shopify store. Maybe, if you test these ads out for your store, maybe it might spend, but with a acquisition cost of $20 to $15 per customer, it really doesn't spend. Now, the second gripe that I have with these shop ads is really around campaign performance and analytics. They really don't give you a lot to go on to understand where your customers are coming from. So on other platforms like Facebook and Instagram, it'll tell you, the age of your customers, where they're located, where they converted at. Did they convert on Instagram? Did they convert on Facebook? Did they convert through Reels or Stories or, Instagram feed? All that information is really, really helpful to understand who your customer is and your customer behavior. But with Shop, they don't tell you anything. Like, it could be helpful to know that these customers converted on, let's say, Snapchat, and I currently don't run Snapchat ads. And so if I know that all my customers are coming from Snapchat, then I might want to run, Snapchat ads on my own. So having this information would be really, really helpful, and not getting it, I think, is a really, really big miss if they want to have more adoption of this ad platform. Okay, so now I want to share with you my final verdict and whether or not you should run shop campaign ads for your Shopify store. And in my opinion, I say yes. If you have the ability to do so, definitely do it, because it is very easy to set up. You can set these up in like 5 to 10 minutes. Like, there is no real learning curve. All you have to do is put in how much you want to acquire a customer for, your target order value, and how much you want to spend per day. And that is it. Now, like I said, it is wildly unpredictable. So you may get sales, you may not. And you wouldn't want to use this as your main growth engine because you're not going to get a lot of data back. So think of this as just supplemental sales. And it's always nice when you get one, but it shouldn't be something that you rely on solely to grow your store. Now, let me know in the comments down below, have you tried shop campaign ads, and what has your experience been? And if you're looking to learn the 5 best ways to advertise your Shopify store this year, I definitely recommend that you check out this video right here.